animated politics, because that continues. The opposition is of the point of view that we told you so, because this is right after the election results that are announced. Now the opposition seems to be going on a panic mode. And again, when it comes to fear-mongering is what the opposition seems to be now submitting to. When it comes to the Prime Minister flagging concerns over fuel crisis, the Congress party is of the opinion that these are some serious directives that are coming in from the Prime Minister's office. And what are the triggers for it? Because this something is now being demanded on part of the Congress party, that there be a special parliament session on this, and the government must keep the people and the opposition in confidence as to how prepared are we, how much reserves do we actually have, and for how long will this crisis that continue. So in the meantime, let's connect with Mohit on this once again. Mohit, this seems to be a call on part of the opposition. The Prime Minister is advising, restraint. The opposition is fear-mongering.
Well, Amita, you see, when it comes to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's message yesterday, these were the steps that our Prime Minister has suggested to mitigate the impact of the West Asia war. It was not panic mongering, and PM has not said that the prices of petrol will go up or the price of the domestic LPG will go up. Now, these are the measures that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has talked about, and he has urged citizens to follow this. But what we see is that unabated politics being played on this particular issue. Now we see that how KC Venugopal has come up and he has said that for past 3 months, what exactly was the government doing? But when it comes to absorbing the pressure of the hike in the Brent crude prices, that has been done. OMCs are running into the loss, but in the end, the effect of that has not been felt by the people because government has controlled the prices. Now, Karti Chidambaram, one of the senior leaders of the Congress party, has also stated these are very serious directives from the Prime Minister, and what are the triggers for it? And he has urged the government to convene a special session of the Parliament to speak about it. So that is the demand coming in from the opposition. Opposition has every right to question the government or on the policy, but then this is an issue that is impacting whole world. The West Asia crisis has an impact on whole world, and perhaps that is why India for past 3 to 4 months have fought with it. The people have not felt the brunt of it because the government has not raised the prices of the normal petrol, or when it comes to the domestic LPG, the supply chain remains normal. But then with time, India can be affected.
Opposition saying that we told you and see what happens next, because this is something which the opposition is now wanting a special session of Parliament to be convened, and the government gives out a statement as to how prepared are we. Let's in the meantime take a look what Karti Chidambaram of the Congress party has been saying, because he's calling these issues to be, and the very directives that are coming in from the Prime Minister's office to be very serious, saying that what are the triggers for this? The government must convene a Parliament immediately and take the nation into confidence and inform us about the true state of affairs, which has necessitated these appeals. So as far as the appeals that have been made on part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, this is something that the Congress party is now seeking from the Prime Minister, from the government, to give out exactly the details, what we are now looking at as far as the current situation is concerned. But in the meantime, let's also listen in and take a look what the leaders from the BJP side, they have been reacting. Here is Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, who has backed the Prime Minister's call on fuel saving, saying that India so far has avoided a major supply crisis despite the global turmoil. And here is the Chief Minister urging citizens to use fuel responsibly and to support the efforts when it comes to conserving energy.
आज ही हमने देखा पाकिस्तान में 450 रुपए प्रति लीटर ये भाव उसका हुआ है। फिर भी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बड़े पैमाने पर अपने सप्लाई को अफेक्ट नहीं होने दिया। हमको तेल, गैस सब मिल रहा है, लेकिन अगर हम लोग इस तकलीफ को समझेंगे नहीं और इसका इस्तेमाल अगर ठीक ढंग से नहीं करेंगे, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमको भी किल्लत का सामना करना पड़ेगा। इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो कहा है, सारे देशवासी उसके ऊपर अमल